this is a short video. Today I'm going to unclog the science sink. Powerful eye protection for this.
As you can see, the science sink has gotten too full of science, and therefore needs to be clogged. Well, unclogged. First step, local debris floating in the sink. Sink has 2 holes, so cover a hole with that. Second, secure your camel well on your hand so you don't drop it in the pool of filth. Plunger. The best music for plunging is Megadeth, but I can't play that because it's very well thoroughly copyrighted. So just imagine this, when you're unclogging a sink, or to the soundtrack of this, turn on some Megadeth so you can be plunging to Megadeth. It is now flowing. You can remove the debris on this side to get increased flow through. And now we'll just wait for all of whatever this is to drain into that tiny hole down there. Looks a little rusty. Surprised those supports have been holding up this sink for a week, because that's how long it took me to get that plunger.
My wrong hand.
There we go. And with that, the science sink is unclogged and the science may flow freely.